Start back over. I have a bunch in these too, like a box with them. Maybe about, I have a good bit. A bunch of stuff here. Got a bunch of dresses and, excuse me, a bunch of sweaters. These like the shoes I have. I have some in storage, t-shirt, some sets, some dresses. A whole heap of stuff. Well, this is like different dresses. And behind there's a whole bunch. Plus I have stuff in the boxes here too. I have stuff in boxes. I have stuff like these and on the racks. Whole bunch of stuff. Whole bunch of stuff. Jacket for men. Jacket for men. Sweaters. Stuff in the bags. Some men's sweaters.